Okay, this is a Zeiss Ikon Ikonta that I have. Let me show you the features. So this is the front, the back, top, side, the other side, bottom. So to open it, so this is the front after deploying the lens. So you can see it's a Zeiss lens there. So let me show you the back. So this is a flambe. Look at these conditions. There's a window. So for this camera, there's an issue where the shutter it seems to be, maybe it needs oiling or something like that. So when I arm the shutter and I fire, wait, let me wind it up first. Let me wind it up. Then I fire. Sorry. So it's kind of stuck, or it's kind of slow. Let me try again. So let me show you from the lens side how it looks like. So it does fire, but it's kind of stuck. Let me toggle it. Let me try again. Okay, again. So you can see it works like it opens up and all. Again. So I'm not sure, is it like that it needs oiling or something like that. But I'm selling this as it is. So if you're okay, then you can choose to buy this. So I needed to support the trigger with my hand. On the other hand, notice that how to say, the aperture is, I'm not sure if I'm doing it correctly, but the aperture seems to be very hard to move. I don't have to force it, so I can't seem to be able to change the aperture. So now it's like 4.5. I'm not sure if I'm doing it correctly, or is it that it needs oiling or something like that. I'm selling this item as it is. The timer seems to be working fine, but it's very slow. But yeah. So selling this Zeiss Ikon as it is. Thanks.